Ethan had always been an overthinker. But last month, it got worse. Much worse. Every thought felt loud, as if someone was saying it instead of him just thinking it. Tonight, while making tea, he froze. He heard a whisper. "Don't spill it." A calm voice. A voice that sounded nothing like his own. Ethan looked around. Empty kitchen. But the voice returned, clearer. "If you drop that cup again, everyone will know what you did." His chest tightened. "What did I do?" Ethan whispered. Silence. "Then you know exactly what you did." He grabbed his head. Because suddenly, the voice wasn't whispering. It was arguing with him, correcting him, finishing his thoughts, thinking before he could. Ethan realized the truth. It wasn't overthinking anymore. It was something far scarier. His mind had started thinking without him. Moral: when your thoughts stop belonging to you, fear becomes real. If this story pulled you in, like, share and subscribe for more realistic psychological horror.